Ever wondered how to make a decadent chocolate cake that melts in your mouth? Picture a slice of rich, moist chocolate cake topped with a luscious condensed milk frosting. Today, embark on a culinary journey to create this heavenly dessert. Start by gathering all the necessary ingredients. For the cake, you will need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. Begin the cake making process by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, take a large mixing bowl and whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. These dry ingredients form the foundation of your cake's texture and flavor. Next, add eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract to the dry mixture. Mix these until the batter is smooth and well combined. The key here is not to overmix, as it can make the cake tough. Once mixed, gently stir in the boiling water. The batter will be quite thin, but fear not, this is what ensures the cake's moistness. Pour the batter into 2 greased and floured 9-inch round cake pans. Bake in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. You can check if the cakes are done by inserting a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, they're ready to cool on a wire rack. While the cakes are cooling, prepare the condensed milk frosting. You will need 1 cup of butter, softened, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup of condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a mixing bowl, beat the butter until it's creamy. Gradually add powdered sugar, then pour in the condensed milk and vanilla. Continue beating until the mixture is smooth and spreadable. Once the cakes have completely cooled, spread a layer of frosting on top of 1 cake layer. Place the second layer on top, and then frost the top and sides of the cake. The silky frosting pairs exquisitely with the moist chocolate cake, creating a truly indulgent dessert. To recap, you've used 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, 2 cups of sugar, 1½ teaspoons each of baking powder and baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of boiling water for the cake. For the frosting, you mixed 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup of condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There you have it, a delectable chocolate cake with condensed milk frosting, perfect for any occasion, or just a delightful treat for yourself. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and indulge in a slice of this exquisite cake.